So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the Discord app icon in the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on U, then the top right and press on the gear icon. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down just to where it says app settings like this. And simply, if you were to go ahead and press on app icon right here, right at the bottom in between advanced notifications, press on app icon. You can go ahead and change the app icon. So if you wanted to change this to rainbow, you can do that. Midnight. Now you do need Nitro to get this done, but you can unlock all the icons with Nitro. So this is the default one. You can go ahead and sort of pick whatever one you're looking for in regards to the app icon. So this is how to change the Discord app icon through the Discord application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.